Let's talk about Uniswap. Its short form is UNI, but there is another coin called UNI as well. So it is the Uniswap we are talking about. Uniswap right now is sitting at $6.7 right now, and don't be scared. It is on weekly. That's why it looks like a dramatic crash, because it went from $19.4 to $4.5. That is scary. But let's look at it on daily. On daily, it looks like a hero. So let's see, when was the last time we covered Uniswap, because I'm covering Uniswap after a while. I think it's been at least few months. I might be wrong, but I'll check. While I search, can you let me know in the comments what do you like about Uniswap? And at the same time, what do you think is going to be the all-time high of Uniswap? Do you think it is going to go and hit $50, $80 or not? Shockingly, I have talked about Uniswap on 4th of May, so it's not that far away. But apparently it has kind of gotten out of my brain. It was sitting at $5. We had a support here at 4.7, and we had a target at $6. That was our first target, and after that we would have talked about other targets, but of course at that moment it was struggling with its first target to begin with on 4th of May. Today is 27th, so we are talking about 23 days later. You're talking about 3 weeks later. So let's see what the hell it has achieved in 3 weeks. Well, in the 3 weeks, it has achieved pretty much a lot. It has gone up and hit 7.7. Right now it's sitting at 6.7. And of course, our support is at $6. So we are going to use the area of $6 as a support area for this coin. And then I'm going to offer upward journey and downward journey. If it loses $6, then we will talk about 4.7. If it closes 2 daily candles below it, then I'll get bearish. If that is not happening, I'll pretty much continue to assume that, okay, it is going to stay bullish. And don't get me wrong, look at it. One candle closed below it, the second green candle closed above it, then the red one closed below it, green above it, then above. It has not seen 2 daily candles closing below the area of $6. So this area is holding really, really well. And once we see 2 daily candles closing below it, then I would assume upward journey is done. 4.7 is the next target for Uniswap. But let's talk about the upper targets. If it is going to continue to hold the area of 6.7, then where the hell do we expect it to head? Well, it is towards $8. So if it is going to continue to hold on to the area of $6, which is our support area from 4th of May as well, we would expect it to go towards $8. So far it has done 7.7, but we would expect it to go and hit 8. And that is pretty much with Uniswap. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.